We often associate wealth with flashy cars, luxury vacations, and designer clothes, but true wealth can be much more subtle and fulfilling. In this video, we want to take a closer look at what being rich really means and show you ways to improve your life. People see the rich in different ways. Some admire their success, while others criticize them. Many people who aren't wealthy often think that being rich is all about luck or doing illegal things, but that's not true. Here are 15 signs you're rich. 1. If you stopped working, you could maintain your lifestyle for over a year. A clear sign of financial success is knowing that if you couldn't work, your lifestyle wouldn't change. While poor people work for money, the rich have their money work for them. The smarter you invest, the more secure your future becomes. If you want to gauge your financial health, consider this: the truly wealthy could stop working and never go broke because of their investments. 2. You don't feel stuck. Do you feel like you can leave anytime you want, do anything you want, and take charge of your life? If so, you're probably rich. One of the major benefits of financial security is having options. You can change your days as you please and avoid that feeling of being stuck. While comfort is valuable, too much of it can diminish your drive to improve and move forward. When you're financially secure, life has more layers, and you feel like the world is yours for the taking. 3. You aren't motivated by money alone. One of the great things about being rich is that money doesn't control you. You want it, but you don't need it. This subtle difference allows you to follow your heart and be motivated by other things, which in turn leads to accumulating more wealth. When you're rich, you're driven by the desire to leave a legacy, help others, and make a significant impact on the world before you're gone. 4. You don't feel the need to show off your money. You've probably heard the saying, "Fake it till you make it," but flashy things are often the hallmark of people who want to appear wealthier than they are. Poor people stay poor by trying to live like they're rich, while rich people stay rich by living frugally. It's quite ironic when you think about it. Pay close attention to what I'm about to say, as it will change your perception of wealth. Men in expensive suits look successful, but they often work for people who dress in jeans and t-shirts. 5. You understand taxes. If you are poor, you might think that earning more means paying more taxes. This seems fair to many until they start their own business and realize they put in all the work but keep only half of the rewards. The rich should be taxed, but we need to consider their impact on the economy. Without their hard work, the jobs they create, and the salaries they pay, how would the world function? Some people take high risks that most aren't willing to take. If they succeed, is it fair to take half of their reward? If you're rich, you've worked hard for your money and want to keep as much of it as possible. So, you continue doing what got you there, educate yourself, understand the system, and protect your interests. 6. You have a mentor. Almost all rich and successful people have mentors, experienced individuals who offer counsel and help you avoid their past mistakes. These mentors are incredibly valuable, and the more specialized they are, the faster you'll achieve your goals. Rich people often have multiple mentors: financial, health, emotional. Be careful who you choose to emulate. A good mentor can jumpstart your life, while a negative influence can lead to failure. Never take advice from people who haven't done it themselves. They're just spectators and should be treated as such. 7. Multiple streams of income. This is another way rich people stay rich, by creating multiple revenue streams. It's crucial to have more than one income source because if the main one fails, you're not left stranded. The stability of any income stream can be disrupted by external factors. Your family's lifestyle and safety shouldn't depend on one income source. If the stock market crashes, your real estate and business can compensate. If you're unable to work for a few months, royalties from intellectual property can still pay the bills. Simply put, relying on a single income source, no matter how big, makes you vulnerable and not truly rich. 8. You never worry about bills. One of the greatest perks of being rich is that you never have to worry or stress about bills. Your essentials are always covered, and your family's basic needs are taken care of. However, not worrying about electricity bills doesn't mean you have a completely stress-free life. 9. You are happy. Money buys comfort and peace of mind. It buys help and experiences that you can share with your loved ones. Used right, money can trigger happiness. Statistically speaking, rich people live longer than the poor, so you get more time to spend with your loved ones, to see the world, and to enjoy new things and experiences. The weird thing is, happiness often comes from making other people happy. If you use your money right, you can make that happen. As long as you have a loving family that is in your corner no matter what, you're richer than you might think. It's up to you what you want to do with this type of richness. If you found this video useful, be sure to like, subscribe and turn on notifications to not miss our future uploads. See you in the next video.